Hi everyone, welcome to Guam Raw. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out all of our other content. We're in the gorgeous Tenerife, and today I'm going to take a beach walk and take you along with me. And we're going on the Del Duque. We've not done this one before, well, I have personally, but it's not on the channel. So let's see what I've done. So the weather at the moment is glorious. I don't know if you can see in the distance, really clear. Beautiful. The last few days here have been a bit wet. We arrived yesterday and it actually wasn't too bad. You can check out our live. We did a live in the evening and that was in Vistas, and that was really nice. We got the last bit of the sun, so we were very lucky. I missed the miserable weather, and it's about 20s, really chilled. As you can see, extremely busy. And it is currently March 5th, I believe. So if you've ever been to Tenerife and wondered, is March worthwhile? I would definitely recommend March. I used to actually come all the time in March. I think March is probably, other than October, there we go, just be careful. So yeah, March for me is probably one of the best times to come, and probably the most frequent time to come other than October, which is my birthday month, and I always like to spend it somewhere that makes me happy. And Tenerife is one of those islands I never get disappointed. So we just came from up there where the shopping centre is. This is Del Duque. You've just tuned in. You're on Guam Raw. My name's Sabrina. I do this channel with my partner Kirk, who is somewhere along there filming a lovely promenade. So do look out for that video when it comes out. And yeah, this is what we do. You come to beautiful destinations. Ooh. The water is actually quite chilly, but wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, like I said, it's March at the moment, and we're very lucky as we come just as the crappy weather has ended. I don't know if you guys follow Mark and Judy, that's the Gypsy Souls. We did get an update yesterday that I think it's gone to Lanzarote now, and unfortunately they got hit really bad. We were there, God, when we was there a couple of weeks ago now. Absolutely lovely, so I'm hoping everyone's okay. If you have got a holiday booked there, you know, it is sometimes just sod's law. Although it is all year round sun on these islands, you are always going to have the odd occasion where you are going to have some crappy weather. It is what it is. But most of the time, you are guaranteed sunshine, like I say. So this area is one of my favourites. It's actually a start of a walk to, I call it my hidden beach, because not many tourists know about it, so I won't mention much more. I might put it on the channel, I'm not 100% sure. But we start it from here, and this beach is just absolutely lovely. It's a little bit more posh around this end. So the prices are going to be a €1.50 flight, I'm afraid. I'm trying my best to get as much sun as I physically can before I go back to the UK. Yeah, I am definitely a sun worshipper. I don't actually burn too much. I know a lot of people do. My Amber, she filmed the Sign Park video, so she came with us in November when we were over here. So November or was it December? You know what? It was last year, end of last year. So she filmed the video for us and did Sign Park, but she went away with her friends in August. So she went to Barcelona. And bless her, she got so bad, like literally lobster red. Red lobster is in my head with the tin from earlier. Watch the live, you'll understand. But anyway, yeah, she was raw red all on her backside legs, and she couldn't sit down. And